This is Activity 3.1 on page 59, Configuring Your User Information. The file we'll be working with is Review Fact Sheet. Before you create documents you'll share with other users, you will make sure your user information is set correctly, since that information will be used to track changes you make to the document, identify who last modified the file, and so forth. You will set document properties to help make documents more searchable. So I'm going to start by opening my document. I'm going to launch Word 2019, and from the landing page select Open Other Documents, hit Browse, and navigate to my home drive, Word Part 3, and this is Lesson 3, which is titled Collaborating on Documents. And the file again that we want is Review Fact Sheet. Select that and click Open. Number 2, change the user information and initials. I'm going to select my File tab and go down to Options to open up my Word Options dialog box. With the General category selected to the left, I'm going to go down to the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section. This might already be set for you, considering you're logged into a Microsoft account. If it's not, in your username, you just want to input your full name and your initials in the initials text box. So just make sure that is input, then click OK. And we're going to do a Save As for our document. Go up to File, Save As, save to your current folder, Collaborating on Documents. And we just want to update our file name to My Review Fact Sheet. Click Save. Number 4, view people who have worked on the document. We're going to access our Backstage view by clicking File, and make sure you're on your Info tab, and over to the right in your Related People section, you want to notice the author is going to be Brian Wilson, whoever that is, I don't know, whoever created this document. And in the Last Modified By field, it should list your name because you're the last person that saved this document. Number 5, we're going to change our document properties. From our Properties drop-down, we're going to select Advanced Properties. And in our Subject field, we're going to type House Salvage Stores. You can tab down to your company field. We want the category field. Tab down once more, category. I'm going to enter Fact Sheets. Can't type. And I'm going to tab to my Keywords text box. This is going to be Building with Heart, comma, House Salvage, comma, Recycling. And then in the Comments text box, we're going to enter Description of House Salvage Stores. Includes a list of items acceptable for donation. Not only might the information in these fields be helpful to other authors looking for information about the document, but it is also useful for searching in File Explorer. We're going to click OK from here. And you can see our fields have been updated. We have our comments. And if you were to click Show All Properties, you also have your subject here and your category, which we entered as well. I'm going to hit my back button to return to my document, and I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar, and I'm going to save my updates. Number 6 wants us to close out of any windows and exit Word completely, so I'm just going to close out of this. And we're now going to view file information in File Explorer. Now, our directions for what number 7 lists is going to be different, so just follow along on the video with me, please. We're going to open our File Explorer. So that, again, that's the manila envelope on your taskbar. And I want you to navigate to your home drive. And let's just search. Mine's going to have a lot of files to search for. So I'm going to open up Word Part 3 and search from here. Up on my search Word Part 3 here, I'm going to type tags, how salvage. And don't worry about capitalization or anything like that. So it's only searching this particular folder. I don't want to have to search my whole entire home drive because I do have older documents that have the same tags. You can if you want, but I'm not going to search through all of those documents because I do have a lot with that tag from older versions of Word. Just make sure, whatever you're searching, that the My Review fact sheet did come up, because we did add that tag to this particular document just in the last steps. You can see that's the document saved in the Collaborating on Documents folder. All right, so just make sure that that comes up, and we're going to right click on this, and we're going to go down and select Properties. And from the My Review Fact Sheet Properties dialog box, I'm going to click on the Details tab at the top. And you can see all of the details that I added to that particular document are shown here as well. So I don't even have to have that document open to view these. I can see them just from the listing of where I saved the document in my File Explorer. All right. You can click OK from here after viewing those, and I can close out of my File Explorer to return to my desktop.